Now, in this lecture, we are going to do class 10th, chapter 8 of NCERT. Name of the chapter is Trigonometry. In this lecture, we are going to discuss use of spatial angles. For this, we need table. First of all, we create here table. How it make by students, no need to be cram it. Here angle we have to remember 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. To make the table of sine theta, we start from lowest whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide by the highest value reach here 4. If we make it square root of it, it gives us the table of sine of theta. Like this we can make the table, and with the help of this line we can make whole of the table. First value becomes 0, no cancellation, square root of 1, square root of 4, cancel out by 2, square root of 1, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4, cancel out 1, so it becomes 1. In case of cos theta, there is no need to learn more, just write it reverse from it. 1 square root 3 by 2, 1 by square root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. As we know, tangent theta is given by sine theta divided by cos theta. 0 divided by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by this value. LCM same, cancel out. So it becomes the value of tangent theta at 30 degree. Both are same, cancel out 1. Here we get square root 3, 1 divided by 0. We know that no value can be divided by 0, not defined. Now, cosecant theta, we know that this is reciprocal of sine theta. So make reciprocal of the value. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0, which is known as not defined. Reciprocal of this become 2. Reciprocal of this value becomes square root 2. Reciprocal of this becomes 2 by square root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Next function is our reciprocal of cos theta, that is secant theta. So reciprocal of the value, reciprocal of 1, reciprocal of this value, next reciprocal of this value, next reciprocal of this, next reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Cotangent theta, next last one is the reciprocal of tangent. So reciprocal of 0, 1 by 0, it is not defined. Reciprocal of this value becomes square root 3, reciprocal of 1 is 1, reciprocal of this 1 by square root 3, reciprocal of not defined. Not defined means 1 by 0. So reciprocal becomes 0 by 1, 0. Like this we can make the table by ourselves. We are going to use of table. Here the question is, in right angle triangle ABC, angle B is right angle given and angle C is given 30 degree. Length of side AB is given 5 centimeter. We have to find out the length BC as well as AC. As you know, in front of angle side is known as perpendicular, and on 90 degree side is known as base, and the third side is known as hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right vertex. We are going to use in triangle ABC. First ratio we have done sine theta, which is given by P by H. P is here AB and H is given by AC. Remember the things here. One of the angle we are going to use and two sides. Means two sides, one angle. Three components are there. Two components should be known. Here theta is given 30 degree. AB is known 5. AC is unknown. Sine 30 from table we can see 1 by 2. By cross multiply we can find here AC length is given by 10 centimeter. Now there are two options. We can use Pythagoras theorem, otherwise T ratios. Because perpendicular is given, hypotenuse is given, base we can calculate by Pythagoras also. But we are going to continue use P with B. We know that P with B is given by tangent theta. AB by BC. Tangent 30 from table, it is given by 1 by square root 3. AB is given by 5. BC is unknown. By cross multiply we get here BC is given by 5 square root 3 centimeter. And highlight your answer so it is easier to identify. Continuing on the next example. Another example we are looking here. There is a triangle PQR in which angle Q is given right angle. PQ length is given by 3 cm. QR is given by base unknown, and the hypotenuse PR is given by 6 cm. Two sides are given. We have to find out these two angles. Now in three components, two sides, one angle. Only sides are given, angle is missing. So we have to use these two sides together in triangle PQR. If we see in front of this angle, this side is known as perpendicular. P by H we are going to use. P by H is given by sine of theta. Theta is given by R vertex. PQ by PR. Sine of R, PQ is given by 3 cm. It is given by 6. It becomes 1 by 2. In sine table, this value comes at 30 degree. It means angle R become here 30 degree. Angle Q is already given 90 degree. Third we can calculate by angle sum property. So we are going to calculate angle P plus Q plus R by angle sum property 180 degree. P is unknown, Q is 90, R is 30 is equal to 180. So angle P from here become, by shifting 90 and 30, we get from here angle P is given by 60 degree. Like this we can calculate the angle also. Now we are moving for another example. In this example we have given sine of difference of two angle is given by 1 by 2. We know that in sine table 1 by 2 comes at 30 degree. It means angle A minus B should be 30. This is the first of the result we get here. And we have given cos of A plus B is equal to half. In cos table half comes at 60 degree. So we get from here A plus B angle should be 60. We have to think here two values. Sum of two numbers should be 60, difference is 30. If we see here, we are going to solve by elimination method, in which we equate the values. Here B are equals. If we add them, B cancel out. 2A becomes 60 plus 30, 90. So value of A become 90 divided by 2, 45. And if we use A equal to 45 in second, so we write here from 2, A is 45 plus B is equal to 60. By shifting we get the value of B. It is given by 15. Like this we can find out the angle. So we can use the table also.